Hi guys, would you ever make this salad? It's one of my favorite salads to make. It's so flavorful and filling. It's so versatile and nutritious too. It can be added on top of your lettuce salad or just eaten on its own or as a side to a main dish. So to make this salad, first you want to saute some onions in olive oil. Add your seasoning, salt, pepper, cayenne. Make sure the onions are translucent and golden. Next, add the tomato paste and saute some more. Make sure all the flavors are blended well together. Then you want to rinse and drain your bulgur, add it to the tomato paste mixture, mix everything well. Roast your bulgur with the mixture on low to medium heat, making sure it soaks up all the flavors. To be able to do that, press down the bulgur with your wooden spoon into the mixture so that the bulgur is quenched with all the flavors. Once it's all mixed together, lower your heat to low, cover with the lid, and let it steam for about 2 minutes. Uncover and repeat this step at least 2 more times. Then cover the lid, add a dish towel over it, and let the bulgur fluff up with the steam that's in the pot. Let it sit like that for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once it's ready, transfer the bulgur to a large salad bowl. Add the lemon juice, more seasoning to taste, and the optional pomegranate molasses. Add the parsley and the spring onions. Mix everything together, and voila, there you have it. It's the most amazing, flavorful, and filling bulgur salad. No wonder this is Jennifer Aniston's favorite salad. Bon appetit. See you next time.